hacks and tricks for packing. It's time to hit the street for your long-awaited vacation. Next halt heaven. But first, you have to stuff. Gazing at that bare suitcase you got from travel bag manufacturers can right away convert your enthusiasm into fright. Fortunately for you, we have a record of stuffing hacks to make the fearful procedure a breeze. Be realistic. If you don't exercise at the house, what makes you think you require workout clothes and running shoes for the hotel fitness center? If you fear stilettos on a night out, will you sport them on the cobblestones post a day of walking around? Not a possibility. Stuff what you will sport, not what you think you may sport. Bring neutral shades. Neutral bottoms and tops can change from day to night with some accessories and can mish and mash so you don't have to choose as much. Even better, you will have more of a reason to purchase that vibrant scarf or beautiful necklace when you have the ideal black column to team them with. 2-in-1. Stuff a clutch that can double as your wallet, so it can tuck effortlessly in a bigger tote. You will have a good bag for the evening but won't have to use the room in your suitcase for additional purses. Have support on hand. If you like to shop or will require a tinier bag for day tours, stuff a light tote bag in your suitcase. Nylon bags fold is ideal for beach vacays, souvenirs, and more. Bring a reusable bottle. You fill it one time you go through security so you can stay hydrated when you fly, so crucial, particularly on those long flights. Besides, you can have water on hand during your tour so you don't have to stop to get water frequently, for you or kids. Bear in mind the hotel amenities. These days you don't have to stuff your Q-tips, nail file, body lotion, hair dryer, etc. They come normal in several hotel rooms, particularly at 4- or 5-star properties. On top of that, several have high-quality shampoo and conditioner so you just have to bring your styling products and tools. Stay clean. Put dryer sheets in your suitcase to keep everything smelling new. If you don't remember, stick a few of the amazing-smelling hotel soaps in your bag. Your clothing will smell amazing and you will have a soap that will jog your memory back for you. Favorite vacation back at the house. Business owners contact Messenger Bag Manufacturers USA if you want to get travel bags of new designs for your store.